how to schedule tasks in HBO Max. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to schedule tasks in HBO Max. You have to understand that you cannot schedule tasks within the HBO Max app like setting reminder, but you can find new episode of shows like task when they drop. That means Sunday at 9 p.m. something like that. So basically, you could just check the release schedule for a specific show talk like task. New episodes are released on HBO liner channels and simultaneously on HBO Max on Sunday, something like that. And now you could also or just open the Max app onto your device and go to the hbomax.com and sign in and browse for a new release or specific shows that you want to watch. If you need to change plans or payments, you could just visit to hbomax.com/subscription and sign in. That should also be able to help. Now basically this scheduling feature isn't available in HBO Max, but you should be able to get the schedule on a release. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.